No matter how terrific your company is at what it does, there will always be forces outside of your control that shape its future. You can't prevent competitive markets, economic downturns, or changing social trends. You can, however, stay informed about the changing world of your industry to make smart choices for your business. Stay one step ahead of industry trends with Knowledge City's course, Tools for Performing an Industry Analysis. This course will help you utilize Porter's 5 forces model to develop sustainable profit strategies, perform broad factor analyses that prepare you for large industry shifts, and look inward at your company and outward at competitors with the SWOT model. No one can predict every change in a market, but being informed on the factors at play will set your business on the right path. Stay ahead of the game with Tools for Performing an Industry Analysis.